Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TCL NxtPaper 70 Pro, and let me share with you how to enable, check actually for the software updates on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for checking, and I highly recommend using Wi-Fi instead of mobile data, and then we can open the settings. So here in the settings, we need to scroll all the way down to find the system. And as you can see at the very top, almost at the very top, under the user guide, we've got the system update. So just tap. And now your device will check for the updates. And basically you can meet two different scenarios. So this is the first one where your software is up to date and there's nothing to download, which means that you're good to go. And the second one is where your device will actually find the update. It will show you the information about it, what has been fixed, what has been added, and then you will be able to tap on download or install and apply the update. After that, simply follow the instructions that your device will show you. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.